So Swiss Military is a micro cap stock which became a small cap recently, and its 3 years average sales growth has been more than 200% and profit growth more than 500%. Yes, that is massive, and I have covered this stock multiple times in this channel as well. But in the last 3 months it has dropped by almost 40%. Yes, and now the investors who are still invested in this stock definitely are in a panic state. So in this video I am going to decode the price action of Swiss Military, and we will get to know what are the important price levels that we should keep our eyes on. Okay, there will be no fundamental analysis, and please do your own analysis as well so that you can get to know more about this stock if you are really interested to invest in it, because you should never take any advice and just based on that advice itself. Okay, you should do your own homework, right? So we'll focus on the price action and decide how good this stock is right now, and if it is not a good time to make an entry, then when could be the next good time to make an entry, right? So let's get started. All right, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Swiss Military's time frame is weekly, okay, and we are seeing the chart. And let me just first of all make this point clear why I have drawn this blue line. Okay, you see this blue line was acting as resistance here, multiple times it acted as resistance here again, okay, but then it started acting as support here, and currently it has touched this level again, and if the support it will respect that support level or it will breach that support level and go down, that is yet to be seen. But as of now it has just touched that support level. Now let us simplify the price action. As of now, you see, when we got to see the stock price starting to go up like this vertically, then remember that it is a sign that the stock could collapse very soon. Okay, and that is what happened. So how could you know that? You see, if you use the 10 weeks EMA, okay, 10 weeks EMA, this black line, okay, you can see the stock has been above that for two instances, here and here. Okay, after that you can see the price action is getting weaker. We are getting to see number of red candles, okay, back to back. And if I open the RSI indicator, what do I see? I am getting to see that although the price is moving high, but the RSI is not moving at that pace. Okay, and if I want to make it simple, if I go turn it into this line chart, you can clearly see the difference. Can you see the difference? See this higher high, okay, and but here you can see. So this is clear. This is a clear indication that the momentum is slowing down, and very soon it could start a downtrend. Okay, so you could have exited at any place, like you place a trend line like this. Let me just show you with a proper trend line. Okay, if you place a trend line like this, so you can wait for the stock to break this trend line. And you can exit at this place, or you can exit here. Okay, or when the stock actually started closing below this, the RSI level, it's the same one. Okay, you could have exited. Now if you have not exited, it's fine, not a problem. Now for people who want to make fresh entries, you need to be very careful because the current market is weak. So let me just simplify it for you by using pure price action analysis and tools which are actually helpful every time, right? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Gann fan. So I have to first select the highest point here, which is this one, and then draw 45 degrees from here. Okay, this is pure price action. Okay, but do not blindly trust this. You have to use your common sense as well. Okay, let me first show using Gann fan, then I will use what I think could be the next resistance level which the stock needs to break so that it can start an uptrend. Okay, so I have drawn one 45 degree level here. Now I have to use the Gann fan. Okay, and if you want to know details about Gann fan, then you have to do a little bit of research yourself. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do reset chart view so that I can see if there is any mistake in drawing the chart level or not. Okay, so what I can see is the stock currently is just a second, I will have to realign this one. Okay, if I expand it a little bit more, yes, so what I can see is that currently the stock has just touched this 1 by 1 line. Okay, that means there is no sign of uptrend as of now. Currently it is still in downtrend, and it could go sideways from here, and if it starts a sideways action, we'll have to wait for this 2-1 line to be broken. Okay, this 2-1 line to be broken, so that we can consider that yes, the uptrend could start from here. Now along with this one, I am going to use the fib retracement. So I am going to use the high, this level as the high and this level as the low. Okay, and it's up to you, it's common sense. There is no hard and fast rule which one you should use, because if you start getting into that, you will get confused. So just try, you can experiment with it. Okay, not a problem. Now you see I have drawn that level, and the reason I think that this is a good level, because I can see that this level was acting as resistance here, then it turned into a support, and from here it formed a base and then it went up. So we are measuring from a base, the lowest level, to the peak, so it should be valid. Okay, that is the, that has the highest probability. Now we are looking at the intersection of this. You see, this is the 50% level, 33.78. so this is the level that we should consider, okay, as the important level. So you can round it up to 34. Okay, 34 is the level. We have to wait for the stock to break this level with good volume, and at the same time, if it breaks at this level, at that time it will break the 2-1 level of GAN fan as well. So 33.78 or rounded up to 34, and here we can get the time frame when it could break. So it is showing June 2025, but remember that there is no hard and fast rule that it is going to happen in June. It could happen early, it could happen a little bit later than that. Okay, so it is just an assumption. The main thing that you need to focus on, not on the time frame. Okay, you have to focus on the price level 34 and the volume at which it will give a breakout. These are the two levels that you should be focused on, so that you can make an entry in Swiss military. Okay, so if I highlight on 34 level, you see this is the 34 level. Okay, now we'll validate that if it is actually a proper level that we figured out using fib retracement or not. See, if I am putting a line here, okay, let me just adjust it to exact 34. I can do that. Okay, right. So what do I see? I am seeing that the stock actually use this level as support here. Okay, then it faced little bit of it tried to use that as support again here, but you can see this green candle, small green candle, but it broke down below that. Now if I go to the daily time frame, I will get a clearer picture. There it is. You can see that this level was being used as support earlier. Okay, and then it acted as resistance multiple times. That's why this 34 level is actually a valued level that we should keep our eyes on. If it breaks above that, then we'll consider that yes, the uptrend could start from here. And if I use the super trend indicator, I am getting pretty much the same level. It is showing 34.91. You can see this line. So this is a zone. So 34 to 35 you can consider as a good level which the stock should break in order to start an uptrend, right? So this is the raw price action analysis of Swiss military. Do not make any entry before that, because it could go sideways from here, and if the market gets even weaker, you know that the mid cap and small cap stocks have really taken a very big hit right now. If the market continues to get weaker, then it could go down below that 27-25 level. So that will be a big problem. So never make early entries without getting proper confirmation from the price action, right? So that is all about Swiss military's price action analysis. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts and you will be able to chat with me directly one-to-one and ask your queries on Discord. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.